learning from today's session, beginning with Alka?
Hello, today I learned about so many new things like Indian Red Cross Society. I came to know about NGOs and their work.
Okay, so IRCS started in 1920, 105 years. Yes.
Confidence, along with that, smile and smile more in life.
Okay, thank you.
Your competition is always with yourself and not with anybody else.
Yeah, and in soft skill, you can always be a better version than yesterday.
Today I learned about effective communication and to approach everyone with a smile.
Square D was the easiest.
Yeah.
Take your time while presenting and use visual modes.
Okay, and our in-house income tax expert, Rohit.
So I learned that I need to take a stop and breathe while speaking.
Yes, so no, you're so technically solid, right? Replace it with smiles. And we also learned that we can't file rectification if we are changing gross total income. Divya?
Keep smiling and spread the smile to the world.
I learned about putting my mental health first.
Thank you, Nandini.
We should go to the Kedar Kantha track.
Kailash Mansarovar.
हम आ जाएंगे ना सर कहीं ट्रैक है ना
Okay, spiritual health. Yes. Palak?
We should smile more and more to create positive aura around us, and we should never be late.
Come on time.
Always on time.
Yes,
So
thank
I
you.
learned कि we should first listen to the question and then answer it.
Yes, listening is an act of kindness. Sangeeta?
Smile and मतलब क्या बोलूं?
Stay
Know
calm.
your classmate name.
Yes.
जो भी है.
Yes, know each other's name. And congratulations for cracking the square activity. Yes, Shruti?
To focus on your aim, not on distractions.
Yeah, absolutely. Right? Distractions should not rattle you.
Recap is important for floating audience.
Thank you. And when you have a floating audience, do recap. Very nice. Very good.
Self-analysis is very important. Understand yourself and make better decisions.
Thank you, Alicia.
And listening is important.
Thank you, Paras.
Stay calm in the situation.
Thank you, Aditya.
I learn about we should remain calm in difficult situation and deep breath.
Right. Rediscover your calm.
सर सामने आके प्रस्तुत करना अपने आप को.
Dilesh bhai, thank you.
To take a break when needed.
Thank you.
Be attentive and stay calm.
Okay.
Have a calm mind before taking any question.
As you grow older, increase your wisdom.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Never leave something that you love to do. Always pursue it with your work.
Thank you.
Not to get distracted by others' judgment and do your work.
Thank you.
Video and audio visualization is very important for.
That's right. So medium is very important. Just audio will not create that impact as audio visual will. Yes.
Today I learned how to present yourself on stage.
Thank you, Sunny.
Use your common sense always.
Common sense is very. If I will be healthy, I'll be more productive.
Today I learned the importance of CA as a citizen for a better nation.
And we should have a patient hearing for our
Yeah.
friends, right? Like you suggested. Mental health में बहुत ज़रूरी है cooperation.
Emotional and mental health is also important as physical health.
Yes. Thank you.
Be courageous when you are presenting something.
Thank you. And which ITR does Virat file?
ITR 3.
Because all income is PGBP.
Be happy always and keep your mental health at its priority.
Thank you.
Buy a skipping rope.
Yeah, Samriddhi.
Don't distract with audience while presenting something.
You did distract a lot today though.
Things are easy. We are the ones who make it hard.
Right. Sona Chandi, Muskurahat.
Muskurahat.
Very good. Good
We
choice.
should always greet someone with their name.
Okay. Yes. What is her name? What's her name?
Lena.
We should be clear about our facts before speaking out loud.
Right. And not just Rashi. Everyone should be your friend. Okay.
So mental health is a real wealth.
Yes.
Mental health is important to recover from midlife crisis.
Excellent. So, guys, we might just have midlife crisis and might just feel sometimes the nature of our existence. But I'm sure confusion is also part of the progress. So, keep that curiosity going. Observe the world around. We are real special. So, make sure, guys, if you're prefixing C against your name, in one line, the objective of your life is economic prosperity for every household. Let's make it happen. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the best.